Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to a new episode of means it's a unique kind of video that I'm making, just like a review video or a feedback video, where today I'm going to discuss with all my followers or my the people in the community regarding Chat GPT. I've been using ChatGPT since yeah, more than 2.5 months now, and it has been quite fantastic in my learning curve, as well as helping me in personally, helping me to grow in YouTube, as well as in many different areas. Well, let's ask ChatGPT about itself, but before that, kind of a open statement. ChatGPT is AI based, artificial intelligence based, and people who don't know what is AI, then you can Google it, or you can ask ChatGPT itself. It's like a combo of AI, the mind of the AI or the AI personality itself combined with chat, and then they have made a kind of a UI, user interface, where you can pose or ask questions, and then the chat GPT will reply back. It's something like Google, but it's an evolved form of Google. Okay, then guys, let's play with ChatGPT, and we will be covering many different grounds. I will show you the possibilities in ChatGPT, and also we will discuss about the limitations. Okay, let's go ahead, and I will also ask selfish questions, money related questions, many things. First, what is your name? Let's hear from AI itself, what it calls itself. So it's an assistant and it's a model. Means the response is coming from the output of the model, and if it is a model, then I can imagine it's running in cloud and it's energy intensive. So then is it more energy efficient or is it not more energy efficient? So then that decision you guys have to investigate. So the purpose of making this video is to give you insights and give you a different perspective, rather than thinking of its usefulness, but also means give you a wide angle of thoughts and wide elements of thoughts there. Okay, let's ask who created you. So it's a team of researchers at OpenAI, and OpenAI was founded in the year 2015. So let's ask name of those researchers. So here you see, so then it is not giving any personal information. So these are the limitations that one can see in ChatGPT, that they do not reveal personal information, and they do not pinpoint on the creators, or because then people can target them, or people can do start approaching them, start asking them for traineeship, etc., etc., etc. Who owns OpenAI? It's a research organization, and it's a group of investors and philanthropists. And then, so then it is not revealing anyone's name. So that's good actually, but that is also a limitation of OpenAI. It's a kind of social responsible OpenAI. It's not like fully open or fully like not controlled AI. So then this is good actually. This is good. Okay, a lot of boring stuff, but then ChatGPT will. So this is how ChatGPT works. So you ask questions and it will give you responses. Okay, so my favorite is though I invest in cryptocurrency, as I made a video a few days back that I have given a buy order at 96,000 tokens. I do not invest. I keep rotating my money. My money has gone down by 50% down, but then my number of tokens has increased, and then that is how I make the flow, like increase the corpus by increasing the number of tokens. So sell at high and buy at low. It's a risk. Let's ask ChatGPT about financial questions. What is the future possible price of VECHAIN? Okay, so then the model doesn't also indulge itself in prediction or finance related questions, but then yeah, because if it starts giving some predictions, then people start adapting to it, and there will be a financial disturbance because AI. Yeah, then there is it's then there will be questions about credibility, and then there will be a lot of inspection. And if AI based responses are accepted worldwide, then there will be a surge in price of the cryptocurrencies and etc etc. So then it's good that it is not giving this kind of response, or not answering these questions. And but then I really wanted some help, because people like me who are bad in prediction, and yeah, a little bit of support of how or where the people who have invested their hard-earned money, and they want to get some response. It could have helped, but then it's okay. For now, let's forget about it. Is VeChain increasing in future? Okay, potential of VeChain cryptocurrency. Is it possible to answer this question? So it's like a very basic overview it is giving. So then, okay, I will stop asking finance related questions. Okay, let's let's now make it more fun. Who is and guys, as they have already declared or given a disclaimer that this model is trained till with the data till 2021. So developments in 2022 and 2023 are not in yet. So let's ask, who is the richest person in the world? So then it should give Elon Musk or something. As of 2020, Jeff Bezos. Okay, so then it's giving the responses till the year 2020 as per the information available online, till 2021. Okay, let me ask, because I am a data engineer, and if people want to check about me, then yeah, this is my profile, and let me ask questions about myself. Who is Somyajit Parida? So it will not give yeah, any response towards this kind of questions. But then let me, because I am a data analyst as well as a data engineer, and my part-time works, or my hobbies are creating video contents like this, YouTube videos and blockchain. Apart from my data related works, as I'm working as a business analyst slash data analyst, data engineering, because it's a small company, and then we have to do a lot of works. I specialize in Azure platform, Databricks, Data Factory, etc., etc. Then let me ask questions related to data, or shall I ask questions related to YouTube? Yeah. What YouTube contents could I make today? So because I also wanted to increase the number of views, how can I increase views in my YouTube channel? So it's like there are many content you can make. Maybe these review contents, giving reviews or feedback to people could be best. It is giving me a kind of very generalized answers. Reviews, and these answers are not helpful for me. YouTube likes as of 2023, what contents can I make? Because yeah, the data is still till 2021, but then this it gives me a kind of groups or the section or the directions where I should focus on for creating my contents. Unboxing contents I made, reviews I will be making, and tutorials I'm already doing, live streams I did, challenges I didn't do, vlogs. Sometimes I make vlogs also. Okay, regarding YouTube, it's okay. Let me ask about uh, okay, YouTube. If I want to make gaming videos, gaming videos in YouTube, what game? Name of the game? Please suggest name of the games for making YouTube contents. So then finally I get some names of the games, and here you guys see these are the names, or this is the suggestion from AI, and I think these games are also popular because I have heard about many things, and I played Call of Duty also, Overwatch, many trailers I have watched on YouTube, and Animal Crossing I have my Nintendo Switch, and then yeah, I play Animal Crossing sometimes. Okay, so these are the suggestions from AI itself for making YouTube content. So this is good, guys. This is good. So let me create a new chat and let me ask questions about data, because being a data analyst, it's good. Data governance definition. Okay, even I can ask Azure questions. Azure connection from Databricks to a data lake. Let me ask code for connecting data factory to Databricks to Azure SQL. Well, this is also outlined in Microsoft, but I want specific codes. So let's see if I can get some codes. Okay, so it's giving me some Python codes, and okay, yeah. So this is how means I can connect Azure Databricks to Azure SQL, and this is then to fetch results. Then okay, so then indeed as I heard before that, it is also capable of creating sample codes. Then if I want to know fill down in SQL code for it. Okay, so then it is self-sufficient to create or to make the codes for me. And this is kind of an example where I want to fill the null value. This is one of the technique. Fill down for large database or large schemas, I should mention. Okay, so it is also capable of creating codes for me as well as the explanation, the steps. So then I see that AI is more advantageous for coding because it is supporting these codes are also available in Google, but then I would like to explore more. Grouping in SQL code. So then, yeah, it is indeed, it is helping to create the codes as well as, but this is in, okay, data, maybe it is giving me with examples and telling me the steps. So then, yeah, these are the aggregate functions, and then sum is it's followed by a group by, and then it generates this kind of an aggregate table of sum of the total quantity. So then, okay, it is also creating codes and with a detailed description, including examples. Then, yeah, indeed, ChatGPT is very good for people who are developing and people who are working as a data analyst as well as a data engineer. Suppose you want to create a code for a web app, generate react.js full stack code for a web application. Is it creating me? Okay. So then, okay, it is giving me some snippets, and it is writing the codes for me. Indeed, people who are proficient in React, I am not a proficient guy, I'm not an experienced person in React. So then I can see, I can understand something, but not fully. But then people who are experienced, they know what this code snippet will do. And yeah, indeed, rather than searching, because if let's do a comparative analysis, and let me search something in Google. And then if I search something in Google, then I have to drill down, I have to search a lot of contents, I don't know, and many of the contents are full of crap. Sorry for my language, but then here I see a fully concise, to the point code that is being generated for reference. Okay, I am expert in Power BI, and Power BI I use DAX and M language. DAX code for ranking in Power BI, and it generated the code. It is good, it is good, it is good. So then this is the code that I use for in the Power BI reports, and it is process intensive, because if the data set is of around 1 million, then yeah, RankX is fast enough. But then if it grows like 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, then the refreshing takes a lot of time. Okay, okay, so indeed ChatGPT, in fact, I could say that if they grow, if the community grows and they keep on developing, then yeah, ChatGPT could replace many of the developers, and maybe this is used as a kind of a benchmark or a reference. And the benchmark in the sense that during my discussion, it referred to this kind of games that I can create contents on, and yeah, it also stores history, and then here I can see what chats I had earlier, and then so it has a good potential to grow, but then I don't know how energy efficient it is compared to Google and compared to other search engines. But then I find it very fascinating how the world is growing, because if many people are also creating contents, and many people, and in fact, ChatGPT, I've also heard that it can write an essay. Let me try one. I never tried one. Write an essay on mother. So then it will say for people, for the children who are like from age 5 to 15, for them it is also very helpful, because it's knowledge intensive and it gives very concise answer. And from 18 to 35 or 40, then this is also good for developers, where people are writing codes every day, whether it is data analyst, SQL, Python, or if you are in website development, then it is also helpful for you. Okay, then it wrote me some sample descriptions, and this is also good for researchers. People researching, if they need an introduction or something, then this is also good. For YouTube, let me try one thing. Give me a popular, because I made some contents in my channel regarding here I see I make a lot of YouTube videos, and my Scrum videos are going to get released. One is already in online, and second one is released today, and the remaining ones will be released later. So then let me search some good SEs. Give me popular header for my YouTube Scrum videos. So this is a uh, selfish way of gaining some or getting some benefits out of this ChatGPT. Okay, let me use this title for my YouTube video, and then in that way yeah, okay, saved, and let's go back. So then I named this one. These videos are going to be released, and maybe I will use these videos or Scrum strategies. Use these titles for my future upcoming videos, and in that way maybe if my videos can gain some popularity. Let's see what is the point, what is the problem in trying. There is no problem in trying and progressing in life. Okay, so I have infused the suggested AI recommendations for titles. And let's see if I can gain some more additional views with the suggestion that is made. Okay, that is what I wanted to share. And also regarding the limitations, guys, let me search. I had some issues in the past that for example in the users and in the Microsoft where the Power BI is installed, the Lucia index and Lucia cache, these are like temporary files, and they keep on growing over the period, and the temp saves also. So generally the recommendation, the suggestion is that I can delete this the contents of these three files, and then then the size of the Power BI will reduce. But then I found it very strange. If I will start searching for Lucia index Power BI in Power BI, let me so then it is giving me a very kind of vague answer. Okay, but then Lucia index file, the contents in the Lucia index, maybe it is not needed because there's kind of catch files that it stores. So then I mean, sometimes, as they have already mentioned in in their disclaimer that sometimes it will not give correct information, but then the information that I received is sufficient enough to proceed further. So then, okay, guys, this is what I wanted to share, that ChatGPT has its advantages, and it's my personal tutor now. So any questions I have, I ask ChatGPT, and it gives me very precise and concise answer. But then I cannot take full advantage of it. But then it has good business use cases, because ChatGPT can be merged into the chat of each website, and then it can suggest. It can have it can have better suggesting capacity, as well as it can be used for your own advantage, like the YouTube one I showed, and many other things. That is what I wanted to share, guys. Have a nice day, and we will see each other in the next video. Well, regarding the cryptocurrency, my portfolio, yeah, I already discussed with you guys that I want to buy at 96,000. Although ChatGPT didn't help me with some suggestions for my cryptocurrency, but then it's okay. I will manage with it. Okay, have a nice day, guys, and we'll see each other in the next video. Till then, bye bye.